If you want to know how to make these personalized thermal labels using the Munbyn thermal printer, make sure you watch this video to the end. I used Canva to make the labels. So what you want to do is log into your Canva, and then you want to go to Create Design. Once you hit Create Design, go down to Custom Size. Once you go down to Custom Size, this is the size I already have because I did it before, but go down to inches, make sure it's on inches, and put 2.25 by 1.25 inches. This is the width and height that you want to start making your labels with. This is the exact length and height of the thermal printer labels too. Then you want to go to Elements. I'm doing these labels personalized for my son's teacher for Christmas. So I typed in the word Christmas tree to see what elements I have. And because you're using a thermal label, make sure everything that you use is thick. You don't want too much pictures or too much on it because it's not going to print. Thermal labels only print in black. So after you pick the tree, I then just placed it. Then I'm going to go to text and add a heading. I'm going to put one of his teacher's name. And also when you're choosing or when you're writing the name, please make sure that you're using a thick font. Everything should be thick because when your thermal label prints, you want it to look clear. So I'm going to choose the font right here. That's perfect. It's nice and thick. And now I'm going to personalize it and go back to text again, then go to add a heading, and then I'm just going to put Merry Christmas from my son's name so that they know who he is. It's so many Joshuas in his school, but personalizing this is so perfect because they not only know who it's from, but they see a little personalization. Everybody loves it. Again, I'm just dragging it out to create my size. I want to make this a little smaller because I want it to be all on one line. And as you can see, I'm hitting bold because again, you want it to be thick. So highlight it and hit bold, and then just bring your size down to whatever size would be suitable for you. You can drag it, or you can actually go up to the top and just hit the size down. So after I'm done centering that, making sure it looks right, then I am going to go to add a heading again. Click add a heading, and here I'm just personalizing a little bit and just asking them if they want to see how their gift was made. Make sure they subscribe to my YouTube channel, just so if people can see to do it yourself, they can see how it's done, or they know that it was personalized by me. So again, I'm typing it in, and then I'm just going to change the sizing, and I'm going to make it bold again. The steps to that is the same steps I used before, but I want to throw it in there that these are great to use for not only printing out your shipping labels, but also to personalize your packaging when you ship it out. I personalize packaging when I ship it out, and I always put like a little thank you note. I put my logo, I put my brand name, and I also can do whatever you want. There's no limit to what you do. So these are perfect for everything, and they're waterproof. So that's one thing I do like about the labels that I purchased off of Amazon. The Munbyn I got off of Amazon as well. If you want to know more about the printer or where I got the labels from, just comment below, and I'm not against telling my steps and how I got everything. The whole point of me creating this YouTube channel and showing y'all how to do DIY stuff is so that we can all learn and grow together. So this is just me putting my business name on there. As you can see, this is also my name on YouTube, but it's also my name on my TikTok as well. So make sure y'all check out my TikTok for simple videos. So this is basically how it looks when it's done. Once you're done, you just want to hit share. and from share you'll see download. I'm using a MacBook Air, so the next steps may not be good for somebody who maybe don't have a MacBook, but it still is plain and simple. So after you hit download, it's going to download onto your computer. Then I hit file, and then I go down to print. Once I hit print, I want to make sure that my printer is on my Munbyn, because I have Munbyn because I have different printers. Then you want to change the paper size to 4x6 because that is the size of the labels, and you want to hit landscape because you want it to be wide. After you hit landscape, make sure you hit save to fit, and it goes right to the printer, and that is how it prints out, quick and easy. So if you want to see how I made these reindeer bags, wine glasses, and ornaments for the teacher's gifts, make sure you look at my other videos. I have step by step, but I just am going to use this as a name tag as well. So I'm just going to put it on the back of their bags because I did make personalized wine glasses with their names on it. So I just want to make sure that the right teacher is getting the right wine glass. And it's just that simple and easy. It sticks, it's waterproof, it's on there. It's a little personalized note, but also you can tell them your business or whatever you want to put in the back. Again, I did like a reindeer theme for his teachers. They got a reindeer glitter stem wine glass. I made customized reindeer bags, and I made a teacher ornament. Again, if you want to see how I created the ornaments, the bags, or the glitter wine glasses, then make sure you check out my other videos. Make sure you subscribe to my videos, and at the end you will see how it looks. Thank you.